Welcome to the eLearning Tips and Tools series, Quality Matters, Standards in Action, brought to you by CELT and the Center for eLearning. This series examines ways you can apply Quality Matters standards in your online course to improve learner comprehension, engagement, and ultimately success. Today's video explores integrating specific review standards within General Standards 4, 6, and 8. As we examine the standards related to the selection and use of instructional materials, note that they go beyond what is covered in the content. Instructional materials should provide a variety of perspectives, model academic integrity, use appropriate technology, clearly relate to activities, and ensure accessibility and usability for all learners. Pause to read the relevant specific review standards. These standards contribute to the overall goal of selecting and using learning materials that support the key course topics, foster active engagement, and create an environment where diverse learners can participate and succeed. When it comes to instructional materials, there are two aspects: how you choose the material and how you will use it in the course. Let's explore these aspects in depth. When choosing materials, you should consider the variety, integrity, and accessibility of those materials. When choosing instructional materials, it's important to offer a variety of perspectives and formats. According to principles of universal design for learning, this variety promotes balance and keeps learners engaged. Include varied perspectives of current theories and practices. This deepens comprehension for learners with different backgrounds and experiences. It also promotes a balanced view of the topics within the discipline and prevents unintentional bias. As a result, learners can see themselves in the discipline. Utilize different types of materials to provide multiple means of illustrating content to enhance engagement. Focus on quality over quantity. For example, one article on a topic paired with a video featuring a real-life demonstration of that topic is more effective than 3 articles echoing the same information and allows learners to engage with the content in different ways. Being thoughtful of the types of technology you choose is important. Prioritize tools that foster active learning. When choosing instructional materials, the second consideration is modeling academic integrity. Just as learners are expected to cite their sources, instructors must ensure that course materials meet copyright standards. Follow copyright laws and ensure you have permission to use any third-party materials. Ensure you are following the terms of use for all course materials. Be sure you understand the limitations of fair use. Finally, give learners clear guidelines for finding and citing materials to help them uphold academic integrity. Accessibility ensures that all learners can engage with course content. It benefits a wide range of learners, including those with disabilities, limited or slow internet access, financial challenges, varied learning styles, or family obligations. Using alternative text for images, transcripts for multimedia, and free, accessible open educational resources supports and promotes success for all learners. Lastly, consider the purpose of the instructional materials. First, is it necessary? Choose materials that are essential for completing course activities and assessments. Materials should align with both course and module level learning objectives. Avoid adding content only because it's interesting, which may cause confusion about what is mandatory or optional. Secondly, ensure the instructional materials don't cause cognitive overload. Be mindful of time and effort students need to interact with the material. Avoid excessive or redundant materials. Instead, focus on content that is concise, relevant, and appropriate in length and complexity. Lastly, instructional materials should foster active learning. Use materials that promote engagement and critical thinking. Integrating instructional materials into activities like discussions, collaborative projects, or reflective writing encourages interaction and deeper comprehension. For more information about Quality Matters or for support with developing and managing your online courses, please reach out to our team in CELT and the Center for eLearning.